we're going to start talking about files, and file space is right here because I don't think we're ready for lunch just yet. So files is going to appear above your syllabus, and what I want to tell you about files is you can upload any file type into Canvas, anything you use right now. Okay, the only file type I have found so far that Canvas doesn't like is an SWF file, a SWF, which is fine because we don't use that. It's an old file type. It wouldn't take it, wouldn't render it for me, or actually for one of my former teachers. Into the file space, you have one for each one of your courses, and into here you can upload and you can create folders and upload any of those files. So you don't have to upload one file at a time. It could be whole folders at a time. Or if you use Google Drive, and some of you said earlier that you do, and you use the Google for Desktop utility, and it's on your desktop of your laptop or your other machine, that will be added to your upload space. So one of the options you would get when you click on upload is Google Drive, and then you could pull those files into your Canvas file space.
How about Dropbox?
Dropbox, there is a Dropbox integration, that's LTI. So we can look at that later. Now, why would you want to upload your files into Canvas? This is something that you're like, I already have my files somewhere else. They're in Dropbox or they're in Google Drive. Why do I want them to be here in Canvas? Well, there's a couple of reasons why. One of the big reasons is when you are creating, everything that you have uploaded into your course is going to live over here where it says insert content into the page. So all of the files that I've uploaded into this course so far, and this course I have a folder for every unit, all I have to do, if I want my students to have access to this PowerPoint that's about the epic hero in this assignment, all I have to do is click it, and it's going to embed that into my assignment that I'm giving them. So I don't have to say, click here and download, or here's the link to my Google Drive document. If I have it uploaded into my file space in Canvas, then all I have to do is find what it is I want to share with them and click on it, and it's going to embed it into my piece of content that I'm creating. So anywhere in Canvas that you're building, and you get a rich content editor box, you're also going to always see this insert content into the page box. And anything you've uploaded, you're going to just easily be able to pull that into whatever it is you're building, which I think is nice. I try to avoid having my students leave my page, because we all know what happens. You quickly fall down this rabbit hole of the internet, and you're not working on my course anymore if you send them off into cyberspace. This is also, oh look, I have pictures of my sister's wedding shower. This is also where I don't know how they got in there, where you would upload any images that you want to use in your course. So if I wanted to use this image, I just clicked on it, and it's going to put that right there into what it is I'm building in Canvas. Question?
So let's say two professors are taking the same class, and they want to share the same files. Is this the place to do it or not?
Are they teaching the same course to the same group of students, or they're teaching different sections? There is a way to share content, and so if let's say you're teaching at the same course as Anne Michelle, so you create your course and then you want to share it all with her, you can share it to the Canvas Commons and she can pull it into her course. So anything you have uploaded into your Canvas course, yes, you could then share it with another professor.
I work for the library. Let's say we create something
yes.
very generic information literacy, and we would like professors to
yes.
insert or put them in.
Yes.
Is this the place to put it?
You would create it in your course, whatever it is, library science course, and then you would share it to the Canvas Commons, which I'm going to talk about in a little bit. And then you would just say to the professors, everybody go find this module I created about literacy and pull it into your courses. And then all they have to do is find it and pull it and import it into their class. So you would build it this way and then tell them how to get it. Yes. Go ahead.
There's another way to do it, though, right?
You can export.
You can export, which is probably how we would want to approach it. So we have multi-section courses,
Mm-hmm.
and you want them to have the instructors to have bulk files, actually the source files. So if they want to modify the PowerPoint or whatever, they have the source, not just the PDF. So a lot of times instructors forget to put their source in their courses.
In their
It's
courses.
nice when you copy it.
Yeah.
Some things they want to tweak to make their own.
Yep.
It could be a ripper, could be anything.
Sure.
It would be an export, right?
Yep. So even the Commons is an export of your full package of your course. So everything, you could share everything and then have them pull it down. So there are two ways to do it. You're absolutely right. You can export your course, and if you do that, it's going to give you a file that then you could send to somebody and say, "Here's the file of my course." Or the Canvas Commons area, and let me just quickly show you what that is. Commons is a way for you to share learning objects. You can share it just with yourself if you want. So if you want to have a copy of everything you've ever created, you can put it into Commons, cloud storage. You can just share it with yourself. You can share it with the rest of your institution. So you could share within Rutgers if you wanted to give it to people so they could pull it into their courses.